Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're going to be talking about stormwater runoff, stormwater backup, and drains like this right here. But before we get started today, remember, if you've got questions about flood education and flood zone changes and flood insurance, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term. So let's talk about today's topic. Is stormwater backup covered by flood insurance? Now, to get a good understanding of that, we have to understand exactly what we're talking about. Now, we're not talking about water backup in your house from your septic tank or something like that. We're truly talking about stormwater backup, where it backs up through these sewers and it backs up through these streets as a result of flooding. Now, when it comes into your house as water backup through your toilet or something like that, your house is not truly inundated with water. So remember, the National Flood Insurance Program defines a flood as 2 properties or more or 2 acres or more that are inundated with surface water. Now, this can happen when these streets back up. Look what happened in Jackson, Mississippi in 2020 with their flooding with some of their systems. So the question comes into play, is stormwater backup covered when it comes to flood insurance? And generally, the answer to that can actually be yes, if it meets one of those 2 conditions that defines a flood when it comes to the National Flood Insurance Program. Now, private flood insurance companies may have some kind of exclusion in their policies. So pay attention to your policy jacket here, whether this is covered or not. Because the one time you don't want to find out when something's covered is when you have a claim. So that's what we wanted to talk about today. So remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood zone changes, and flood insurance, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel where we do these daily flood education videos. Thank you.